Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are doing an eyeliner declutter. Now for someone who is not good at eyeliner, I have way too much. So let's get started. I have like my black, my browns and neutrals, and then all the color stuff down here. So I'm actually gonna start on this end. I don't think I need like any of these colors, even like the really pretty ones. This Scandalize and this blue, I have swatched it. I don't think I've ever used it. These greens I definitely don't need. That Mally one, this middle one, we got like in a New Beauty test tube back in the day. I don't need these. This is Gorgeous from Jordana, but I don't need it. That's an Aqua Stone. I never use these, to be completely honest. This silver one is super pretty, but I don't need it. I don't know if I've ever used it. That's from Rimmel. This is a liquid liner from Cella, and it's in this really pretty blue, and it was really nice. However, it's really old and it's a liquid liner. I'm throwing this away. I love some of these. Okay, I might keep some of them. This is another green one from LA Girl. I'm gonna get rid of that. I just don't need a green liner. Not that bright. I have like some stuff elsewhere. This is when it gets a little harder. I'm going to kind of pick out a few. This Starlux is really pretty. This is an amethyst, but I'm going to pass that on. Some of these I'm definitely keeping. I have been working on using these guys up. This is a NYX in the color Jewel. I use this as like an all over eye color. And then this is highlighter. It's the L'Oreal Silkissime or Silkissime. I don't know how to pronounce it. But I'm going to keep these two. I am going to keep these two black gel liners. This is from Mica Beauty. It's amazing. And then this eyeliner, this black gel eyeliner is from My Beauty Addiction. I really like both. I'm going to pass on this Pure Minerals double-ended liner. Let's just look at it. Yeah, because it's like this charcoal color, and I'm just not going to use it very much, to be honest. Okay, I don't know what to do. Let's grab some of these green ones, and then some of the blue ones. We'll kind of go by color. Okay, you know what? As much as I want these, I'm trying to avoid getting rid of them. So pretty. This is still sealed. This is from Wet n Wild, and it's so pretty. What color is this? I don't even know. Distress. It's gorgeous. And then this is a Rimmel Scandalize in Blamed Blue, but I don't use them. Now, MBA Cosmetics I usually keep, but this is like a blue navy, like a navy blue eyeliner, right? Yeah, navy. I'm gonna throw this away just because I don't feel comfortable sharing these or passing them on. And it's really nice, but I just don't use it, and it's getting a little old. I also have this M Cosmetics, like gray silver eyeliner from Ipsy. I'm going to pass that on because I never use it. And okay. Are these my only two green ones? Let's look. We have Stila Smudge Stick in Moire, which I definitely use, and then this NYX one, which is in Golden Olive. That's gorgeous. Damn it. I only wanted to keep one. Okay. Let's do that. And then let's... Oh my gosh, I'm almost done with Moire. Okay, so I'm going to keep both. I'm going to keep this NYX one, and I'm going to put this like in my use up pile. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm glad I checked that. Now this is an eyeliner. I don't understand. Whoops, as I lose a chunk. I'm not keeping this. I've used this as a base, but I don't need it. And I lost a chunk of that somewhere, so, okay. I can't even think of my purples because I just love purple way too much. Let's grab these like navy-ish colors. This emerald. Oh, it's like the Revlon double-sided Kajal. I love. This is a NYX and Sapphire. I definitely don't need that. It's like way too blue. And then This is an ocean liner. Ooh. That would be really pretty for a look, but I just don't do like get ready with me's or tutorials. If I do a get ready with me, it's usually like with a look I would actually wear regularly. So I'm going to keep this one. Okay. This is where it gets really hard. I don't want to give any of my like normal ones away, my tried and true. So let's look. Let's look at my purples. Let's just get it over with. Oh, here's another one. This is from Julep. I actually really like this blue because it's so dark. So I'm going to keep that one also. And so I was going to look at purples. What is this? This is a Physicians Formula. Oh, this is like in a brown. Okay, well, I already swatched that. So let's start swatching. I guess I don't really need to keep that because I never reach for it. Wow, didn't realize I had so many. Okay. I know I use these. Okay, I'm going to get rid of this Rimmel Chubby Stick Bad Girl Bronze. I have a lot of like cream bases. I have a lot of brown liners. I'm just going to get rid of that one. This Urban Decay, I really do like this formula. This is Demolition. I have the Jordana one. It's not as creamy, but they're really close dupes. I think I'm going to give away this Physicians Formula. And then these are both Stila, Lionfish and Lionfish. How do I have two of the same thing? Okay, so this one is definitely newer, so I'm going to keep this one. It's just, it went on way creamier. And I'm going to have to pass that one on. And I'm just going to keep my Demolition because I really like that one. It's creamier than the Jordana one. These are really good though, so definitely go for those. I don't want to get rid of my black ones. Okay. I never use, this is like a good inner like waterline liner. This Rimmel one in the color Nude, but I don't use it. That was a YouTube made me buy it. Emily Noel did that to me. This is really pretty. This is Yogurt. It's a NYX Chubby Pencil. This is Stila Kitten. Yeah, they're completely different. Is this Stila Kitten? No, this is Tarte in Champagne, and then this is Stila Kitten. Sorry for like my gross fingers. Oh, well, to me, they're all different, and I want to keep them all. So I'm going to. How about that? And this is Rust from NYX, which I'm keeping. I absolutely love Rust. All these purples. So this is an Avon one. I'm just going to give this away. That's like a double-ended champagne color and purple. Homie is my homie from Kat Von D. I cannot get rid of that. And this is different than all the other ones I have. This is the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Lavish Lavender. I'm not in love with these, but you know what? I need to start using it more. And I think if I can see it more, I would. And then this is just a regular purple base from Avon. I think I'm going to pass this on too. And now we're with blacks. Okay. I'm not in love with black. Is it Black Velvet that I'm not in love with? Yeah, because it's just not as creamy as like the other one, Zero. But this is the one I'm trying to use up. So I'm going to have to keep that because I'm trying to use it up. I also like the L'Oreal Voluminous Smolder Eyes. I am going to get rid of Charcoal Definition because I would never use it. And this from Jordana, same line. This is Black Point. I do like that one. So I'm going to keep that. This is Black Metal from Kat Von D. And it kind of has like some sparkle in there. I think I'm going to keep it because that would be a cool eye base. And I do use that as like a regular eyeliner. Now I don't need both of these. This Galactic one I think I like better. We got both of these in a BoxyCharm. These are liquid liners. So let's just see what's up here. And this is Starlooks. The Starlux I think is blacker. Yeah, the Starlux is definitely blacker. And I think it's easier for me to use the Starlux because it's a shorter pen. Now I don't remember which cap. Yep, so this one. I'm going to keep the Starlux. And I'm sad to get rid of the Galactic because something, you know, it's cute packaging and I like the name of the brand, to be honest. Okay, so that is it. That's actually not too bad, guys. So these are all the liners I am keeping. Still way too many for the normal human being, but I'm actually getting rid of a lot. So let's see how many I'm getting rid of. All right, so I'm getting rid of 26 and I'm keeping 21. I'm actually really happy with that. Again, still too many eyeliners, but I'm really happy. I am cutting it down by more than half. So I'm actually gonna be able to see some of these things and maybe use them up because I do change out my makeup basket every week. So now I won't be kind of going through the same thing. And look, I had 2 of the same color. I'm almost done with this guy. Really excited about it. All right, guys, so that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these kinds of videos. I love declutter videos. I'll see you in the next one. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.